Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend. سلام زما ملګری.
How are you?
How are you? ته څنګه یې؟
I was waiting for you.
I was waiting for you. ما ستا لپاره انتظار کولو.
I am fine.
I am fine. زه ښه یم.
Thanks for asking.
Thanks for asking. مننه ستا د پوښتنې نه.
I am a little nervous.
I am a little nervous. زه لږ شانتې وارخطا یم.
I am with you.
I am with you. زه ستا سره یم.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside. راځه چې دننه لاړ شو.
I really need this job.
I really need this job. زه واقعا دې وظیفې ته ضرورت لرم.
You know my daughter Sarah.
You know my daughter Sarah. ته پیژنې زما لور سارا.
She is a hard-working girl.
She is a working girl. هغه یوه سخت کارکونه جینۍ ده. یعنې کارکوونکې ده.
She left her university for me.
She left her university for me. هغې زما لپاره خپل پوهنتون پرېښوسته.
I want to support my daughter.
I want to support my daughter. زه غواړم چې خپله لور سپورټ کم. مطلب ویې هڅوم.
God bless your daughter.
God bless your daughter. الله دې ستا لور ته برکت ورکړي.
I talked to my madam about you.
I talked to my madam about you. ما ستا په باره کې خپل د میډم سره خبرې وکړې.
I know she will hire you.
I know she will hire you. زه پوهیږم چې هغه به تا ونیسي.
You are the best cook in the whole world.
You are the best cook in the whole world. You are the best. ته تر ټولو ښه یې. cook اشپزه. in the whole world په ټوله دنیا کې. اوس دلته لغات whole مطلب ټول.
You make delicious food.
You make delicious food. ته خوندور خواړه پخوې. تیاروې. delicious خوندور. مزیدار.
Shall we go?
Shall we go? زو.
Thanks for supporting me.
Thanks for supporting me. مننه زما د supporting نه.
I hope your madam is not strict.
I hope your madam is not strict. زما امید ده چې ستا میډم چې د هغه به یعنې سخته نه وي.
She is a good lady.
She is a good lady. هغه یو ښه ښځه ده.
Let's go now.
Let's go inside. راځه چې دننه لاړ شو.
You will get this job.
You will get this job. ته به دا وظیفه ترلاسه کړې.
She is a rich lady.
She is a rich lady. هغه یو مالداره ښځه ده.
Madam, my friend is here.
Madam, my friend is here. Madam زما ملګری دلته ده.
I talked to you about my friend.
I talked to you about my friend. ما ستا سره زما د ملګري په باره کې خبرې وکړې.
She is here for an interview.
She is here for an interview. هغه دلته د یوې انټرویو دپاره ده.
Hello. Monica told me about you.
Monica told me about you. Monica ستا په باره کې ما ته وویل.
You are a cook.
You are a cook. ته یوه اشپزه یې.
Fine. You got this job.
You got this job. تا دا وظیفه ترلاسه کړله.
I will taste your food if I like your food.
I will taste your food if I like your food. I will taste your food. مطلب زه به ستا خواړه چې دی وبڅکم یعنې ټیسټ به کم if I like your food. که چیرې ستا خواړه زما خوښ شو.
Your job is permanent here.
Your job is permanent here. ستا جاب یعنی وظیفه چې د هغه بلته همیشتن وي. permanent مطلب دایمي.
Monica will tell you everything.
Monica will tell you everything. Monica به تا ته هر څه ووایي.
I have to go now.
I have to go now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم.
Really?
Really? یقینا.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you so much, madam. ډیره زیاته مننه madam.
I will not let you down.
I will not let you down. زه به تا ناامیده نه کړم.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. او زما خدایا.
Did you hear that, Monica?
Did you hear that, Monica? آیا تا دا واورېدل Monica?
I got this job.
I got this job. ما دا وظیفه ترلاسه کړه.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. ډېره زیاته مننه.
You helped me a lot.
You helped me a lot. تا زما سره ډېره مرسته وکړه.
He is Borak.
He is Borak. هغه بوراک دی.
He is a rich boy.
He is a rich boy. هغه یو مالدار هلک دی.
He hates work.
He hates work. هغه د کار نه نفرت لري.
He is a little bit clumsy as well.
He is a little bit clumsy as well. هغه لږ شانتې نشهیي هم دی.
Barak, you are still sleeping.
Barak, you are still sleeping. تو اوس هم بودی مطلب خوب کوي.
You have let me down.
What happened, Mom? Please let me sleep.
What happened, Mom? So شو مورې. Please let me sleep. ما ته اجازه راکړه چې زه خوب وکم. یعنې ما پرېږده چې زه خوب وکم.
What have I done?
What have I done? ما څه کړي دي.
You are again on social media.
You are again on social media. ته بیا هم په social media یې مطلب دوباره پې.
You went to the club last night.
You went to the club last night. ته تېره شپه کلب ته تللی وې.
Who was that girl?
Who was that girl? هغه جینۍ څوک وه.
I don't want any scandal.
I don't want any scandal. یعنې زه څه جنجال یعنې رسوایي نه غواړم. Scandal ویل کېږي جنجال یا رسوایي.
We are rich people.
We are rich people. موږ چې یو یعنې مالدار خلک یو.
When will you change, Barak?
When will you change? ته به کله بدل شې Barak.
Mom, she was Tony's girlfriend.
Mom, she was Tony's girlfriend. Mom, هغه د Tony's girlfriend وه.
I just helped that girl.
I just helped that girl. ما صرف د هغې جینۍ سره مرسته وکړه.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. اندېښنه مه کوه.
Oh, really? I had no idea about it.
I had no idea about it. زما د دې باره کې څه نظر نه و.
You help others.
You help others. چې ته د نورو سره مرسته کوې.
I am so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you. زه په تا باندې ډېر ویاړ کوم.
My mom is very innocent.
My mom is very innocent. زما مور ډېره بېګناه ده. مطلب ډېره بېوزله یعنې بېګناه ده.
She believed me.
She believed me. هغې په ما باندې باور وکړو.